if I told you there's a way high net worth individuals lower their tax bill and give generously without jumping through legal hoops? And what if I said you could do it too? In this video, I'm going to show you how it works, who it's for, and how to get started step by step. Let's jump in. This little known tax hack is called a donor advised fund, or DAF. It's like your own personal charitable foundation without the legal complexity or high costs. You give more to the causes you care about without having to set up a private foundation. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. 1. You donate cash or appreciated assets like stocks to the fund. 2. You get an immediate tax deduction this year. And 3, you decide later when and to whom you want to send the grants. You can support your church, your alma mater, and your favorite nonprofit, any 501c3 you believe in. In the meantime, that money can be invested and grow tax-free so your giving can go even further. Nearly half of high net worth individuals and over half of ultra high net worth families use a donor advised fund. Why? Because it's flexible, it's efficient, and it fits into a bigger financial strategy. Maybe you've had a big income year. Maybe you sold a business. Or maybe you're holding highly appreciated stock you don't want to sell because of capital gains taxes. A DAF can help offset that tax hit and let you support the causes that matter to you most. For example, say you have an appreciated asset currently valued at $100,000. To sell the asset and donate the cash to charity, you would need to pay capital gains tax on the appreciation. Let's say, for this example, that's $90,000. You would pay 20% of that, which is $18,000, and the charity would receive the remaining $82,000. However, by donating the appreciated asset directly to a charity or DAF, you avoid paying the capital gains tax, resulting in a higher payout for the charity at the full $100,000. And here's the best part. You can involve your kids or grandkids in the giving process and pass down your values for generations. Here are a few of the top benefits of using a donor advised fund. Number 1, you get a tax deduction right away, even if you don't know exactly which charities you'll support yet. Number 2, your contributions can grow tax-free, giving you more money to give away over time. Number 3, you can give anonymously if privacy is important to you. And number 4, it's a fantastic way to build a family legacy of generosity. One of our clients called it a mission fund, a place where their value lives on even after they're gone. That said, donor advisor funds aren't for everyone. Here are a few things to consider before opening one. First, once you make the donation, it's irrevocable. You can't take it back. Second, you can't receive any personal benefit from the donation. No gala tickets, no dinners, no exceptions. Third, you have to itemize your deductions to get the tax benefit. And fourth, only qualified charities can receive grants from a DAF. That means no GoFundMe pages or political causes. Also, keep in mind, every DAF sponsor has different minimums and fees. For example, the Renaissance Charitable Foundation, one we often work with, requires a $5,000 minimum contribution and charges 0.6% on the first $500,000. There's also a $250 minimum annual fee. So make sure you know the fine print before you commit. You can deduct contributions in the given year, but only up to certain amounts. Once you reach the max for that year, which is 60% of AGI for cash contributions and 30% of AGI for appreciated assets, then the rest you can carry over for up to the next 5 tax years. So, how do you actually get started? Here's what it looks like. Step 1, choose a DAF sponsor. We often work with a group called REN, but there are several good options. Step 2, open your account. Your advisor can help you through this. Step 3, fund the account with cash, stock, or other appreciated assets. And step 4, recommend grants to the charities you love whenever you're ready. It's that easy. You stay in control of when and where the funds go, and you can invest the money while it sits, growing tax-free. Okay, let's recap the key takeaways. A donor-advised fund helps you simplify your charitable giving, reduce your tax burden, grow your contributions tax-free, involve your family in philanthropy, and leave a legacy that lasts. If you're wondering whether a donor-advised fund fits into your financial strategy, talk with your advisor.